Good morning, student. Now, today we will start the chapter 8, motion of class ninth. And the topic we will cover today is type of motion, means two type, uniform and non-uniform. Type of motion. First is uniform motion and second is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. I think motion you know it very well. But here is uniform means same, like, all are same. Take example, the student of the school of class are in uniform means proper dress. All are looking same. There is no change of color of the uniform of the school. And non-uniform means all students are in uniform except 2 or 3 students are without uniform, maybe 4 students are without uniform. Then we will say that non-uniform, not in proper dress. But in case of motion, how we can identify the uniform motion? Motion, you know that change in position. When an object change in position, then it covered some distance, some path. And how much distance or path that object will cover in a given time will be in motion. Here A and B, C, D, E are the point which I locate in a straight path, and above the line it represents the distance in meter and the time is in second. It indicates the distance from A to B is 5 and the time taken by object to cover the distance is 1 second. And from B to C the distance is 5 meter and the time taken by that object is 1 second. And again from C to D the distance is 5 meter and time taken by that object to cover 5 meter in 1 second, and similarly D to E and so on. It means if we check over it, the distance between 2 points is same and time taken by the object to cover the same distance is also same. It means we can say an object covered equal distance in equal interval of time. When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then that type of motion is known as uniform motion. If we draw the graph between distance and time, whereas time is taken on x-axis and distance taken on y-axis, then the graph will represent the straight slope. This is time and this is distance in meter and this is time in second. It represents the straight slope, uniform motion. It means that object covered equal distance in equal interval of time is known as uniform motion. It means at every point the motion will be same. At every point on this line, the object speed or motion is same. But in second case, A to B the distance is 5 and time taken from A to B is 1 second, and from B to C the distance is 6 meter and the time taken to cover the distance is 1 second, and from C to D the time distance is 5 meter and time taken is 1 second, and the distance D to E the distance is 7 meter and time taken is 1 second. It means distance are different and time is same. Or we can first case this, if the distance is same and different and the time taken by the object to cover the different distance is same, it means that type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Then what we can say about the non-uniform motion? When an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time is known as non-uniform motion. Or we can say that if this is second slide, if we will change, this will be same 5, this is 6, and we will change like this. Here is A, B, C, D, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. Here is 1 second, 2 second, and 1.5 second. This is also non-uniform motion. Why? Equal distance, the distance is same, but the time taken to cover the distance is not same. It means equal distance covered in unequal interval of time. This is also the type of which one? Non-uniform motion. And that graph will always not straight. It will a curve path. Between distance and time, it will form a curve path, not straight. Uniform and non-uniform motion. And now, just to try yourself, answer the question which I am asking. The time 9:30 a.m. The distance covered is 10 meter, and 9:45, 20, 9, 10, 30, 10, 15, 40 meter, 10, 30, 15 meter, 10, 45, 60, 11 to. What type of motion of object A? Can you tell me? And what type of graph for if you draw between time and distance? The two question arises from this. Name the type of motion and what type of graph will form. Think and tell me the answer. Here is time is same, 15-minute gap, 15-minute gap, 15-minute gap, 15-minute gap of time, difference of time is same, and the distance 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter, 60 meter, 70 meter, and distance between 2 points is same. It means A covered equal distance in equal interval of time, therefore it has which one motion? Uniform motion. Uniform motion. The object has uniform motion. Why it has uniform motion? Because it covered equal distance in equal interval of time, and the graph between distance and time for A will be straight slope. Will be straight slope. And check for the second. Same question. Name the type of motion and the graph. Tell me. And here is time difference is same. The distance first is 12, and here is difference is 7 meter, and here is 4 meter, here is 12 meter, here is 2 meter, here is 4 meter, here is 3 meter. It means time is same and distance is not same. It means B cover unequal distance in equal interval of time. So that means B is an object which cover unequal distance. Distance is not same in equal interval of time. That means the motion of B is non-uniform and the graph between distance and time is not straight. It will be a curved path. It is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. It is straight slope and it is a curved path. And here are the uniform motion and the non-uniform motion, but on the basis of motion, measuring the rate of motion. What is the rate of the motion? And that rate of motion is describing the speed. Generally we say that speed of the bowler is 140 meter per second. What is the meaning of 140 meter per second? It means meter means distance second is the unit of time, and that represent the speed. Rate of motion is distance upon my time, which is equal to speed. And what is the meaning of 140 meter per second? It means a ball cover 140 meter in how much second? In 1 second. And what do you understand by 138 meter per second? Mean 130 meter distance covered by an object in how much time? In 1 second. And this rate of motion is known as speed. So what is the speed? Speed of an object is the distance covered by an object in a given interval of time. Or we can say that rate of motion is the distance covered by an object in a given interval of time is known as rate of motion, which is known as speed. And the unit of speed is meter per second, kilometer per hour, and meter centimeter per second. But SI unit of speed is meter per second. Meter per second is the SI unit of speed. Another unit also kilometer per hour, centimeter per hour. Therefore, the rate of motion we described, the unit of rate of motion is speed, which is known as speed, and unit of speed is, or the unit of rate of speed, meter per second. Here the speed or the rate of motion is different. It means different object cover same distance in unequal interval of time. Means we can say that different object have different rate of motion or the different speed. Some object can move fast and some object can move slow. Why? Because their distance covered in a given interval of time is not same. And where the unit meter per second, kilometer per hour, centimeter per second, can we change this? How we can change the unit? First, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3660 second. Or we can say, first we have to change, is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Therefore 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 second, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. How? 1 kilometer upon 1 hour is equal to 1 kilometer mean 1000 meter. 1000 meter upon 1 hour mean 3600 second. This will 0 will cut 5 और ये 18 5 upon 18 meter per second. It means to convert 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, same as this, and 1 hour we put 3600, that is meter per second. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second multiplied by meter per second multiplied by 5 by 18. Is it clear? For example 5 36 kilometer per hour is equal to 36 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. That will be 5 upon 18 by kilometer per hour. If you want to change meter per second, we have to multiply it by 5 upon 18. 36 multiply 5 upon 18, 1 kilometer per hour. Or you can say that into 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second, or 36 किलोमीटर पर आर इज इक्वल टू 36 इंटू में 5 अपॉन में 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 18 1 जा 18 2 जा, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इट मीन 36 किलोमीटर पर आर इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एंड टेक अदर एग्जाम्पल. 1872 किलोमीटर पर आर चेंज इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो 72 किलोमीटर पर आर 1 किलोमीटर पर आर इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन में 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो इस दैट मीन 72 इंटू में 5 अपॉन 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 18 1 जा 18 4 जा इक्वल टू 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. दिस इज इक्वल टू 72 किलोमीटर पर आर. और टू कन्वर्ट मीटर पर सेकेंड इनटू किलोमीटर पर आर, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट मीटर पर सेकेंड इनटू किलोमीटर पर आर. 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. तो दैट मीन 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोमीटर. तो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन में 1000 किलोमीटर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट 1 आर इज इक्वल टू 3600 सेकेंड. एंड दैट मीन 3600 second is equal to 1 or 1 second is equal to 1 upon में 3600 or this is second point. So that meter per second means 20 meter per second change or x meter per second change into kilometer per hour. What should I do? First, meter per second. Meter per second is equal to, what is 1 meter per second? 1 meter is equal to 1 upon में 1000 kilometer upon, here is 1 upon में 3600 or this 3600 will move upward. This 3306 will move upward. 1 meter per second is equal to, this will which goes upward 3600 upon में 1000, that will be kilometer and this will be r. 0 0 and 5 and this will be 18. It means 18 upon में 5 kilometer per hour. This is 1 meter per second. It means we have to multiply 18 upon में 5 to convert 1 meter per second. So that means x meter per second is equal to 18 upon में 5 किलोमीटर पर आर x इंटू में x. And same as, and now 20 meter per second is equal to 20 multiply 20 x is 20 multiply 18 upon में 5. What we will write? Kilometer per hour. This and this 4. 18 4 जा 72 kilometer per hour. This is 20 meter per second. It is your answer. Now it's clear. And now one point you have to keep in mind. It means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon में 18 meter per second और x kilometer per hour is equal to 5x upon में 18 meter per second. It means x you have to multiply. This x is 20. This is the first. And now second, for second. This is used for to convert change kilometer per hour into meter per second. And now second point, 1 meter per second is equal to 18 upon में 5 meter per kilometer per hour and x meter per second is equal to 18 upon में 5x kilometer per hour. This is the second point. To convert, to change, which one? Which one is meter per second into kilometer per hour? Is it clear? And what is the average speed and what is we will discuss next class. Thank you. Be safe at home.